ONN Roku TV won't turn on, but you can see the red light, and the TV is stuck on black screen, then let's go ahead and try these easy fixes. What you need to try first is using your TV's physical power button and see if the TV comes up. If it does, then you'll need to troubleshoot your TV remote. For example, try changing the batteries. But if your ONN Roku TV won't turn on either way, then what will work for a lot of people is cold booting or soft resetting your TV. To do this, simply unplug your TV, and while it's unplugged, hold down the power button for half a minute, and then wait around 3 to 5 minutes before turning your TV back on. If it still doesn't turn on, then you'll also need to make sure that no USB or HDMI devices is connected to your TV, because sometimes they can cause this. In case it still won't work, then try connecting your TV to a different power source. For example, if you're using an extension cord, plug it in directly into a wall outlet, or plug your TV into a different socket. Still nothing? Then you can also check whether it's only the display that's not working. For that, turn up your TV's volume, and then try to move around or open Netflix using the button on your remote, and if you can't hear anything, then it means your TV's backlight is probably damaged. If you can't see or hear anything, then as a last resort you can try resetting your TV to factory default settings using the reset button at the back. Just press on the reset button and hold it for at least 10 seconds, after which hopefully your Roku TV will boot up in the setup mode. However, if the screen is still black, then it's probably a hardware problem and you'll need to contact support or take your TV for repairs. That's all. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.